Dunster Village in Somerset, England feels unusually intact because it still follows a medieval logic. Everything in the village is arranged around land ownership, trade, religion and water power in almost the same pattern it used centuries ago. Walking through it is a bit like seeing how a small English settlement actually functioned before the modern era reshaped most places. Above the village sits Dunster Castle, which is showcased in our next video. It began as a Norman stronghold after the conquest of 1066. Although much of what visitors see today looks like a stately Victorian country house, the site underneath is far older and was originally positioned to control movement through the surrounding landscape and coast. One of the village's most distinctive buildings is the octagonal yarn market in the centre. Dunster became prosperous through the wool trade, and merchants gathered there to buy and sell yarn under a sheltered roof, while still keeping the sides open for negotiation and movement. Nearby streams powered mills that processed local goods, and those waterways still thread through the village today, making the whole place feel shaped by flowing water. What's striking is how many parts of medieval life survive together in one place. The huge tithe barn where agricultural taxes were stored for the church, old inns that once served travellers and traders, packhorse routes crossing narrow bridges, and even structures linked to feudal privileges like dovecotes for pigeons. In many English villages, those pieces disappeared separately over time, but Dunster remained small enough that the whole system stayed visible.